In modern life, we walk on insulated surfaces, shoes, tiles, concrete, and unknowingly disconnect from the earth's natural energy. But Ayurveda and modern science both agree walking barefoot, also called earthing or grounding, restores our root chakra, balances emotions, strengthens the body, and brings inner calm. Let's understand how this simple act connects body, mind, and spirit, and why ancient sages consider it a daily ritual of healing. Scientific studies, Journal of Environmental and Public Health 2012, show that direct connect with the earth allows free electrons to flow into our body, neutralizing excess positive charges caused by inflammation, stress, and pollution. These electrons act as antioxidants, reducing chronic pain, improving sleep, and calming the nervous system. Research at the University of California found that grounding reduces cortisol levels and synchronizes the autonomic nervous system, balancing the fight or flight response, especially beneficial for anxiety and fear conditions linked to the root chakra. Studies also show barefoot walking improves RBC zeta potential, enhancing blood fluidity and oxygenation, directly improving vitality, grounding, and immunity. Now we'll talk spiritual and ancient proof. Ancient texts like the Atharva Veda mention Prithvi Spars, touching the earth, as a healing ritual to absorb the planet's prana shakti. It was part of morning rituals, where practitioners stood barefoot facing the rising sun, symbolizing unity between body and earth. In yoga, the Muladhara chakra connects directly to the element Prithvi, means earth. Walking barefoot increases the sensory input to the soles, reaching in nerve endings, sending grounding signals to the brain and aligning the spine's base energy. Yogis believed the Earth's magnetic field recharges our biofield. In ancient India, sages like Agastya Muni and Maharishi Patanjali were known to meditate and walk barefoot in forest. Modern research validates that walking barefoot in natural environments increases negative ion absorption, which boosts serotonin, the happiness hormone. When you walk barefoot, you are not just touching the earth, you are returning to your original source. The earth does not just carry your body, it heals your mind. Science calls it earthing. Spirituality calls it oneness with Prithvi Tattva. And Ayurveda calls it root chakra balance. But in truth, it is simply a reunion between you and the mother who never stops nursing you.